Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best espresso machines, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best espresso machines options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which espresso machines is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. DeLonghi Magnifica Plus, Best Value Espresso Machines. The Magnifica range had always been the low range of DeLonghi. Still, the Treviso brand has changed that policy this year, introducing the new Magnifica Evo Next and the Magnifica Plus, coffee machines that feature elements previously only found in supposedly superior ranges. The most obvious of these features is the 3.5-inch touch full-color touchscreen. The control panel consists solely of this screen, the power and profile selection buttons and buttons to access the catalog of black or milk coffee recipes. The screen is accompanied by a very attractive and intuitive visual interface full of information about each new step in coffee preparation and animations that give it a very modern touch, unusual in super automatic coffee machines. The ease of use and the amount of information provided by the menu screens make it a super intuitive coffee machine, even for someone who has never used a machine like this. There are 18 programmed recipes that the Magnifica Plus brings, a considerable number. We have at our disposal the standard recipes of any super automatic machine with a milk tank, including espresso, lungo, coffee, americano, cappuccino, latte macchiato, cafe latte, flat white, and cortado. Number 2. Breville the Bambino Plus, Best Mid-Range Espresso Machines. The Breville the Bambino Plus is widely regarded as the top entry-level espresso machine for beginners who want high-quality results without a steep learning curve. It excels due to its rapid heating, automatic milk texturing, and a compact design that fits almost any kitchen counter. Instant Startup uses a thermojet heating system that reaches brewing temperature in just 3 seconds. Automatic milk texturing. The Auto Milk Hue hands-free steam wand features 3 adjustable temperature and texture settings, making it easy to create microfoam for latte art. Consistent extraction includes PID temperature control and low-pressure pre-infusion to ensure balanced 9-bar espresso shots every time. Pro-style features. Equipped with a 3-way solenoid valve. Number 3. Philips Series 3300 Best Budget Espresso Machines. The Philips 3300 is a fully automatic espresso and coffee machine. That means that all you have to do is fill it with beans and water, and it does its thing. Select a drink, and it will grind, tamp, extract, and make a drink for you. Super automatics like the Philips 3300 have become very popular for their ease of use in our hectic lifestyles. But how does the new 3300 fare? And how does it compare to the likes of DeLonghi, for example? And you will also see buttons to adjust the bean amount, the coffee volume in the cup, and the temperature. These are important settings as they directly affect the extraction and strength of drink in your cup. I always suggest to use the 3 beans choice for more coffee. Looking at the chart below, you can see the amount of beans used for each setting. Number 4. Breville Barista Touch, Best Premium Espresso Machines. The Breville Barista Touch BES 880BSS transforms complex espresso preparation into touchscreen simplicity without sacrificing extraction quality. This semi-automatic espresso machine combines thermojet heating technology, integrated conical burr grinder, and automatic milk texturing through the Auto Milk Hue system. The machine produces 18-bar pump pressure, reduced to optimal 9-bar extraction pressure, delivering consistent shots through its 54mm stainless steel portafilter system. Core specifications position the Barista Touch as Breville's mid-range powerhouse. The 1,680-watt heating system reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit brewing temperature in 3 seconds. The integrated grinder features 30 grind settings with timed dosing control. 8 programmable temperature settings span 190 degrees Fahrenheit to 205 degrees Fahrenheit for different roast profiles. Number 5. Ninja Luxe Cafe Best Premium Espresso Machines. The Ninja Luxe Cafe is a stunning but bulky bean-to-cup coffee maker that manages to take much of the guesswork out of perfecting espresso and coffee drinks thanks to grind size suggestions, a weight-based dosage system, and an automatic milk frother, making it ideal for beginners. During testing, these features worked great and consistently delivered tasty results. The machine was also surprisingly easy to master, even if it was a little overwhelming initially. A hot water line would have been nice, but overall it's tremendous value compared to other similarly spec'd machines. The Ninja Luxe Cafe is a 3-in-1 bean-to-cup coffee machine that makes espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew. With its grind size suggestions based on the type of drink, a weight-based dosage system, and an automatic milk frother, much of the guesswork when it comes to perfecting your brew is taken out of the equation. It's perfect for novices who are just beginning to dip their toes in the espresso world. But the real question is, does the Ninja Luxe Cafe actually deliver on its claim? And I'm happy to report that for the most part it does. Number 6. Breville Barista Express, Best Overall Espresso Machines. The Breville Barista Express BES 870XL is a highly rated all-in-one home espresso machine that combines a built-in 40mm conical burr grinder with a 15-bar Italian pump for quality espresso extraction. Known for its durable stainless steel build and user-friendly, programmable interface, it is considered an excellent, reliable choice for beginners to intermediate home baristas, offering cafe-quality results at a $700 price point. Built-in grinder includes a conical burr grinder with adjustable grind size and dose amount. Temperature control features PID temperature control, adjustable in circuit increments, to ensure optimal espresso extraction. Heating system utilizes a thermocoil heating system, which is efficient but means you cannot brew and steam simultaneously. Steam wand. A 360-degree swivel steam wand creates quality microfoam, suitable for latte art. Pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start of the extraction for a more even, flavorful shot.